Hello student, I am your new teacher of pharmacology. My name is Monali. I am completed my B.Pharm from Vigo Knowledge City, Nasik. In this lecture we study what is the pharmacology and syllabus of pharmacology, and also what we study in a pharmacology. Last semester you all study the human anatomy and physiology. Now we study pharmacology. Pharmacology is one of the most important branches in a pharmacy. Deal with the study of drugs, drug effect on the body, and body response for the drug which has been taken is called a pharmacology. The Greek word pharmakon means a drug or any medicine, and logos means to study. Means to study the complete life cycle of drug as per the pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics profile is known as a pharmacology. In this, the main three keywords: drug effect on the body response for the drug. There are three main words are very important. Drug is the any substance which is used for the diagnosis, prevention and treatment to cure disease or disorder. In this, the word disease and disorder. The difference between disease and disorder: if any antigen or microorganism enter into the body and changes the body normal physiological function is called a disorder. If any part of body don't follow a proper function and occurs abnormality in the body, it's called a disorder. Now the main three keywords: drug effect on the body, and body response for the drug. In that, the first word is the drug. The definition of drug. A drug is defined as a substance that is used to treat, cure or prevent a disease or otherwise enhance a physical or mental health. Drug is used for a diagnosis, prevention and treatment. Diagnosis example are X-ray. In X-ray, for a better resolution, we use a bismuth sulfate agent to better diagnosis. Prevention: all type of vaccines are under the category of prevention category. Example are polio vaccines and chickenpox vaccines. Third one is a treatment. If any infection occurs in the body, we take a medicine like antibiotics, antiviral drug, that is included in the treatment. We study the source of drug, classification of drug in this pharmacology. The scope of pharmacology. Pharmacology explain what drugs, what they do to body function, what body does to them. Pharmacology also explain why a person may experience side effect and why there is such wide spectrum of difference between drug action in a different people. Once the drug is bound to a protein, it exerts a therapeutic effect on the body. This is the pharmacodynamics effect of the drug. Pharmacodynamic: what does drug do to the body? That is called the pharmacodynamics. Drug having two effect on the body: desirable effect and undesirable effect. We want that effect, that is a diagnosis, prevention and treatment, that is the desirable effect. Undesirable effect are a side effect, adverse effect and toxic effect are under the category of undesirable effect. Undesirable effect that we don't want but happen. Side effect having an example are a headache, vomiting. Adverse effect having an example are rashes on skin, and toxic effect. Example are drug effect, that the toxic effect drug can also damage the organ. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics is the study of what happened to drug once they enter into the body. Means pharmacokinetics is the study of what body does to drug after entering into the body. After administration of drug, body do ADME effect, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Absorption of drug into the blood and across the cell membrane to enter the cell. Distribution of drug throughout the body. Metabolism. In the metabolism, drugs is breakdown. In that, the toxic drug is may be converted into less toxic drug. Complex structure is converted into simple form. Active drug may be form in a inactive form, and inactive drug may be inactive form. In this metabolism, metabolism is generally occur in a liver. Metabolism or breakdown of the drug in the liver, it is called the biotransformation also. Last one is the excretion. Excretion of drug from the body, it is also called the elimination. In the excretion process, water soluble drug excreted through the urine and lipid soluble drug excreted through the stool or bile, and the volatile drug excreted through the skin. Pharmacology is the study of drug including the origin, history, uses and properties. It mainly focuses on the action of drugs on the body. Pharmacodynamics is the study of physiological or a biological effect that varying concentration of drug have on the body over time. This branch involves the study of localization of drug to a specific area of the body, such as the brain. Most of drug may have an effect on more than one part of the body, and some may cause an unwanted side effect. Pharmacokinetics is the study of how the body absorbs, metabolizes and excretes drug. A drug may be administered orally, parenterally or intravenously. The kidney is the main organ that filters out the drug from the body, but the lungs, sweat glands and also have a minor roles of that. Now we study what we study in the pharmacology. In pharmacology, we study introduction of pharmacology. Second one is the pathophysiology of drug, classification of drug, mechanism action of drug on the basis of disease, pharmacokinetics of drug. In that pharmacokinetics, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drug, and in sixth one is the pharmacodynamics. In pharmacodynamics, we study side effect of drug, adverse effect of drug and toxic effect of drug on the body. Now we see the syllabus of pharmacology. First one is the introduction of pharmacology and scope of pharmacology. Second chapter is the route of administration of drugs and their advantages and disadvantages. Third chapter is the various process of absorption of drug and factor affecting them, metabolism, distribution and excretion of drug. Fourth chapter is general mechanism of drug action and the factor which modify the drug action. Fifth one is a pharmacological classification of drugs. The discussion of drugs should emphasize the following aspect. First one is a drug acting on the central nervous system, that is the general anesthetic adjacent to anesthesia and intravenous anesthetic. Second one is analgesic, antipyretics and non-steroidal and anti-inflammatory drugs, narcotic analgesic, anti-rheumatoids, anti-gut remedy, sedative and hypnotics, and psychopharmacological and anticonvulsant analeptic drugs, centrally acting muscle relaxant and anti-Parkinson's agent, local anesthetic, drug acting on an autonomic nervous system, cholinergic drug, anticholinergic drug, anticholinesterase drug, adrenergic drug and adrenergic receptor blocker, neuron blocker and blocker and agonist blocker, neuromuscular blocker, drug used in a myasthenia gravis, drug acting on eye, mediatrix, drug used in a glaucoma, drug acting on a respiratory system, that is respiratory stimulant, bronchodilator, nasal decongestant, expectorants and antitussive agent. Antacid, physiological role of histamine and serotonin, histamine and antihistamine, prostaglandins, cardiovascular drug, cardiotonics, anti-rheumatic agent, anti-anginal agent, antihypertensive agent, peripheral vasodilator and drug used in the atherosclerosis, drug acting on a blood and blood forming organ, hematinics, coagulant and anticoagulant drug, hemostatics, blood substitutes and plasma expanders, drug affecting on a renal function, that is diuretics and antidiuretics, hormones and hormones antagonist, hypoglycemic agent, antithyroid drugs, sex hormone and oral contraceptive, corticosteroid, drug acting on a digestive system, carminative, digestant, bitter antacid and drug used in a peptic ulcer, purgative and laxative, antidiarrheal emetics and antiemetics, antispasmodics, chemotherapy of microbial disease, urinary antiseptic and sulfonamides, penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline and other antibiotics, chemotherapy agent, antifungal agent, antiviral agent and antileprotic drugs, chemotherapy of protozoal disease, anthelmintic drugs, chemotherapy of cancer, disinfectants and antiseptic. A detailed study of the action of drug on each organ is not necessary. This is the syllabus of pharmacology. We study one by one topic in the next lecture. Thank you.